In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GoDaddy. Your browser is a bit unusual. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically, if you're getting that error message, this means that GoDaddy uses an automated security system. So usually Cloudflare or a Karma to checks every visitor to see if they are a real human or a bot. If anything about your browser or connection looks suspicious, it will go ahead and trigger that warning. So there's a few fixes we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes to the least common. Now, the best way to fix this is to refresh and retry. So sometimes the security check just glitches, so we can go ahead and click on keyboard control and F5. Now this is going to refresh the page. Now if you're running any VPNs or proxies, so GoDaddy often blocks VPNs, proxies, or even privacy browsers. So if you're running any browsers in the background, just simply go ahead and disable them. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on extensions, manage my extensions. Now also as well, what we can do, if you're running a lot of extensions in the background, just go ahead and disable your extensions. So just go ahead and disable every extension and then try again. And then if you're managed to remove that error message, come back to extensions and then just simply enable each extension one by one to try and find who the culprit is. Now another fix we can try is go ahead and clear our browser cookies and cache. So I'm using Google Chrome, so I want to click on the three dots far right hand corner of the page, click in the settings. On the far left we've got these different tabs, so we need to click on the privacy and security tab, and on the right hand side we want to go ahead and delete our cookies and cache. So just have cookies and other site data checked, cached image and files, and go ahead and click on delete data. Now what we want to do here, so if it's the last hour, last 15 minutes, go ahead, we can go click more, click all time, and then just make sure it's all time, and then click cookies and other site data and cached images and files and delete data. Now as I stated earlier, I'm using Google Chrome, so what we can try is switch to a different browser. So I can go ahead and try Microsoft Edge or Firefox, and if I can log in on those different browsers, well, there must be something going on with Google Chrome. Another fix we can try is try incognito mode. So if you don't know how to do this, click on the three dots, click on your incognito window, and then so what incognito avoids corrupted cookies or extensions.